Oops. Ta-da! Ta-da! Hello, boys and girls of YouTube. Gosh, I feel so silly. Welcome back. You're on the BS Adventure channel. I'm your host, Brian. Today, we're going to be working on the budget box fan build. This is going to be episode 11. We're going to dig in, build some stuff, and figure it out. That's the whole idea of the channel here, guys. Adventures, fun, shenanigans, building, and figuring things out. If I can do this stuff, I know for sure you guys can do this stuff. Let's roll. Well, that escalated kind of quickly. The floor was rotten back here, and this edge is rotten along there. Kind of all the way around on all sides. I figured I have enough wood to just redo these pieces with nice wood instead of trying to patch in little squabbly pieces. So I ended up pulling all this out. It's now evening. I've been kind of just tinkering with stuff today. What I'm going to do is install this red oak hardwood flooring. This has two benefits. First benefit, which is actually kind of the secondary benefit, it looks really nice. It's pretty wood. I'll sand it and refinish it when I install it. The main benefit is right here. Because the floor is a thinner material, it drops the floor, which gives me more headroom. That was a concern. These bars are 6 feet to the stock floor. I'm just a pinch over 6'1". I could stand between these and I was okay, but my head would touch here. I plan on insulating this area between these beams. The ceiling is going to be the height of the bottom. So I was trying to figure out a solution to that. I think this is going to work well. I probably won't use the hardwood in the rear. I'll use the stock flooring I pulled out of the van. The oak will definitely be in the living area. I might add a brace here so I can have a seam in the hardwood there as well. That's what I did today, just kind of screwing around. I'm not installing this right now. I get a map or an idea in my head, and then I need to kind of lay it out, stand back and look at it and think about it, tweak it to make it work as necessary. Because the map in your head and what actually happens in reality, there can definitely be some differences, and you have to figure out how to make that all mesh. So I think that's it for tonight. We'll see you in the morning. So I just picked up a sink. It's a double basin stainless undermount. What I'll do is I'll actually cut this with a cutoff wheel here and then just use this single basin in the van. I'm just gonna stash it for now because it'll be a while before I get to that part of the build, but it's a good price, so I decided just to grab it. Oops. Didn't mean to drop it. So a lot of times I tell you I'm working on, my son's behind me. A lot of times I tell you I'm working on other projects and stuff. This is one of them. My dad has a shuttle bus. You may have seen it in the background. His is a 2015 Chevy. Same chassis more or less, couple differences. His is a dually and stuff. And he's converting that to a motorhome. And this one's his thought process and his work, and I just help him with the labor. But this is one of the things we were working on today, getting his plywood sheathing in the floor in. We've done a bunch of stuff in here. He put some air horns in right there under that panel. There's this gray water tank, a shower's going approximately the same location as mine. We actually mounted a spare tire under the frame here, and those seat bracket mounts, you can see there. Those three items. Those hold a really nice modern van seat with shoulder strap belts for my sister's kids and my sister when they road trip and stuff. So, you know, I enjoy helping him. And when you have more than one project going, and I have more than one project going for sure, these things take time. So I'm gonna clean the flooring in that van, or clean some of the dust out in the van so I can kind of work on that flooring a little more. So, spraying this bed liner shit on this plywood. This is for my dad's bus conversion, but I decided that's a pretty good idea. So I got some 1/4-inch plywood we're gonna put down under the oak in my bus and then spray the bottom of this so it creates some kind of moisture barrier while driving in the rain and stuff. I think this should work pretty good. So I ran out of black for that second coat. We found some blue that my dad had used to kind of build my sister a little pool for her kids. So here, check it out. Morning guys, today is tomorrow. Got these all sprayed last night before it got dark. This will go on the floor of the van with this rubber down, and then my oak will go on top. And I'm not using this to attach the oak to. The oak will actually be screwed into the metal cross braces in the floor itself. Gonna take the big panels. We're gonna put those in my dad's bus today. But we were spraying these, so I just wanted to get it all done. I have some other things I need to do first. I will throw them in for a test fit, but I'm not gonna attach them yet. What?
Where'd the floor go?
Where'd the floor go? Hi guys.
I can see the engine.
That's not the engine. That's the muffler.
Oh.
That's okay though.
Are you filming?
Comes out. Yeah, I'm filming. You're on camera. That's my niece. That's Rhiannon. You saw her. She helped change tires one time, so she's a good helper. Yeah, we're digging into the floor a little bit. Last I left off, I was kind of showing you some of the hardwood, and then I think I showed you we were coating this plywood, and you can see the underside of this is coated. I'm just kind of test fitting this today. We kind of just rough measured it and cut it. It is a little tight. I need to trim that board over there. I just want to make sure this all fits, and then I'm actually going to pull this stuff back out, and then I'm actually going to work on some of the stuff under the floor. And then I think I showed you between the fenders here, I'm going to install an extra brace for the flooring there too. I have the piece of steel right here, old piece of old junky bed frame from the dump. Free materials going along with the budget theme. I'm going to get started on this stuff, guys. So we got this all trimmed up. It fits good now. I'm going to pull.
I have a map for myself.
Hey, I'm videoing, kiddo. Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Okay, there's a beam right there. Wait, make sure you step on beams. Don't just step on the mat. There you go. You're such a punk.
Then why were you sitting on this?
I had my knees on the beams. Oh. Because I'm pretty heavy. I would go through the floor. You're doing fine though. You're on one right there.
But I'm going to sit with you.
Well, I'm going to pull this out. I was just test fitting it.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm going to pull it back out. You want to help me pull it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay,
So,
help me out.
so grab this piece here. Grab this little one. Come on this side and you can do it. Yeah.
Right here?
Yep. Don't pinch your fingers, okay? There you go. And then just set it aside right there. I'll grab that one there. You can take your headphones off. We're not doing anything loud now. Here, I'll hold them. There you go. Good job. Set it over there. And then grab this little one here. Awesome. Okay, so take that stack and go put it on that cart with the other wood we stacked, okay? And then you can grab that other one on the far side when we get there, okay? Okay, good job. So you want to go grab that piece in there? I like you put your headphones back on. Good job. You want to grab that little piece? Did you knock something over? You all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
That look on your face is pretty priceless. Hey guys, today is tomorrow. Yesterday I was working on this cross piece for here to add an extra support for the hardwood floor. Give me another place to screw it to. I made these guys out of those old bed frames. I just cut them to fit and then cut this notch out. Let's see, is this driver's side passenger? This is for woo. Watch where you step. So these will get welded in here, and then I made a notch to clear the frame of the van. And like I said, create another attach point for the hardwood floors. So that's cool. I'll probably mess with those today a little bit. And then this came in. So apparently there's a whole genre of unboxing and people opening boxes. I don't get it, but here you go. Here I'll have my assistant Rhiannon open this here. You can use this like on the corner. There you go. What's inside the mystery box? I see fun stuff. Okay, we got the package. That's all she's interested in. Brianna, what's in the box? Put it on the ground so you can reach it. You don't need your headphones right now, sweetie. We're not doing anything loud. Hi. Lift. There you go. Ta-da! Good job. Okay, so that's our plastic. Ooh, nice throw. So what is that?
I have no idea.
That's a plastic tank for gray water. So when I use my shower, I can drain the water into here, and then I can empty it as I need. Oh, don't piss them off. Ew. Okay, I won't lay in that. Those guys get itchy when they bite you. Here, I'll just kind of test fit this. It looks like it's going to work good. I don't know if you guys can see. How's that? So, fits right there. It's nice and level with the bottom. I don't want it hanging down. I'll make a little frame for this and some straps. I'll strap this guy up. Okay, this one's for my buddy Bruce out in Kauai. You know who you are. Let me show you what's going on here. Gonna have to edit this shit. This used to be like the thing that held the spare tire. I went to put a wrench on this. Ta-da! Planet Wingnut, buddy. Oh, that's hilarious. Making a piece of angle into a piece of flat. I just like how the tone changed when you hit it. Ooh, the moon's out. Focus. Kind of the end of the day. Oops, there you are. Hi guys. Kind of the end of the day here, and so I got the gray water tank here. It's sitting upside down just in the back here. I put this rubber edging or butyl. It's like this sticky rubber stuff. It's really good for staying soft and insulating. So I got that around the edge of the tank, and this is the bottom. And then I made this frame. I just welded this together, and this is some scrap bed rail, and then this scrap angle iron with these holes in it. That was actually an old spare tire mount on the van that I removed. So I reused that. Reuse, you know, find free junk. So that frame sits on the tank here. And then this is gonna hold the tank upright, and then it'll be hanging from some all thread and some nuts and washers that I'll have attached here to actually pinch the tank in place and then bolt it to the floor. That should work good, and then I can plumb it up. When I get the shower installed later on, I can plumb up the drain in, drain out, and a vent. So that should work pretty slick. I think I'm going to try and splash some paint on this guy tonight before it gets dark. I am losing light pretty quick. And I think that's all I'll do tonight. I got some stuff to do tomorrow. I got some errands I got to run, some phone calls I got to make, that kind of logistical kind of crap that you got to do in life. And then I'll work on this a little bit. That'll be just a second for you. So good night. Psych. That's it for this week, guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Appreciate you watching. A hui ho.